The first ray we draw is the parallel ray. It enters the lens parallel to the principal axis. So once again, this is the principal axis, this is the first ray. You can see those two are parallel. We draw the first ray parallel. When it comes out to the lens, it's refracted or bent in such a way that it goes through the focal point. It must go through this point. It's not just some random bend. It goes through the focal point. So that's the first ray. I like to call this one parallel F. The next one is kind of the opposite. It enters the lens going from the object through the focal point. So it must go through the focal point. It starts at the object, goes through the focal point, strikes the center of the lens, and comes out parallel. So this one I like to call parallel F. And the third one is the one we draw that goes straight through the center, and the image is going to be located where those light rays converge, and that is our image. Okay? Now, we want to summarize where is the image and all the information that we want to know about the image. In this case, when the object is greater than 2f away, the image will always be somewhere between f and 2f. The image will always be smaller than the object. The image will always be inverted or upside down, and will always be a real image. Okay? So we've completed that problem. I'm just going to review this one really quick, and then we'll go on, and we won't take as much time for the next one, so we've got 4 more to do. So we drew the ray diagram. We drew the first ray, parallel F. Then we went F, parallel, has to go through F, has to go through F, has to be parallel, and has to be parallel to the principal axis. This one goes straight through the center. It goes through the center of the lens. It is not bent. It is not refracted. And the image will be located at the where those 3 rays intersect. We started at the point, therefore that's the image of the point. And this is the information that we drew from our that we got from our ray diagram. Okay, let's go on and do the next one. Now you can see the object distance. The object is exactly 2f from the lens, parallel f, f, parallel, straight through the center, and that is our image. You will notice when the object is at 2f, the image will always be at 2f. The image distance is 2f. It has to be there. The image will always be the same size. When your object is at 2f, the image is the same size. It will always be inverted or upside down, and it will always be a real image, an image that is created by converging light rays.